Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 6 mid-level 1 housing cost. This is the 6th chapter of Excel section of my ELT course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignment, if you want me to do your complete course, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID I have mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, etc. So let's start this assignment. Title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 6 mid-level 1 housing cost. So in first step, we are supposed to download the Excel file. This is the name of the Excel file. This is the name of Excel file and we are supposed to download this file Exp19 Excel chapter 6 mid-level 1 housing cost. We will apply all these steps in the Excel file and we will get this assignment done. So I have already downloaded this Excel file. This is the Excel file required to do this assignment. So we will move to step number 2. In step number 2, it is saying that assign the range names B9 base, B15 interior and B21 exterior, B23 lot. So we are supposed to assign these names. These are the range name and their respective cells are given. So we will assign base range name to cell B9. So we will go to the sheet and we will click on B9. This is B9. And we will type base here. After typing the base, we will just click enter. And this name has been assigned to cell B9. So now we will move to next. That is interior. And we will assign this name to cell B15. We will simply copy or we can type this as well. So we will go to cell B15, this is cell B15 and we will paste or we will type the interior here. After typing, just click enter. So we have assigned interior to B15. After this, we are supposed to assign exterior to cell B21. So we will go to cell B21. This is B21 and we will type or we will paste exterior here and we will click enter. So this is done and after that we are supposed to assign lot to B23. So we will go to B23. So this is B23 and we are supposed to type lot here. So we have assigned the range name to 4 cells given. That was step number 2. And now we will move to next step. Our next step is step number 3. So now we will do step number 3. So step number 3 is enter a formula in cell B25 to calculate the total estimated cost. So now we are supposed to calculate the total estimated cost in cell B25 and for this we will use the formula that is saying that total estimated cost is the sum of base house price B9, total interior upgrade cell B15, total exterior upgrade cell B21 and a lot fees cell B23. So when we will use the sum function and we will sum these 4 cells, we will get the total estimated cost. So let's go to cell B25 now. This is cell B25. We will put equal sign first. After putting the equal sign, we are supposed to add the 4 cells. That is B9, B15, B21 and B23. So we will first click on B9. This is B9. After B9, it is saying that click on B15, B21 and B23. So now we will click on cell B15 put a plus sign, then B21 and plus B23. So this is B23. So we are adding 4 cell base, interior, exterior and lot piece. So we will get the result, this one. So this is all about step number 3. So now we will go to next step, that is step number 4. So step number 4 is saying that use goal seek to determine the total finished square footage to meet the total cost goal of 350,000. So now we are supposed to use the goal seek. So we will click this cell and then we will go to data tab. This is data tab. After going to data tab, we will simply click on what if analysis. After that, we will select the goal seek. So now we are supposed to change the value to 350,000 that is given in the requirement. You can see that this is given 350,000 and our changing cell will be to determine the total finished square to meet the total cost. Total finished square. So total finished square are this one. Total square footage. We will click and we will get the result. So we got the result. The total square footage has been changed to 2791. That is step number 4. And now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. So in step number 5, it is saying that enter a series of total square footage ranging from 1800 to 3600 in increment of 200 in range. So basically we are supposed to insert a series that will start from 1800 and will end at 3600 and a step value of 200. After that we will apply the blue font and comma cell style with the 0 decimal places to series. So let's go to cell D6. So this is D6. We will type 1800 here. After typing the 1800, we will go to home tab and we will go to the series, this one. So now we are supposed to complete the series in the column. So we will select the column option from here. So step value is given, that is 200 and stop value is 360. So we have selected this and we will click OK. So we have inserted the series starting from 1800 and ending at 3600. So after that we are supposed to apply the blue color to the series. So change the color to blue, this one that is given here. Apply blue font and comma style with 0 decimal places. So we will apply a comma style. This is the comma style and we will decrease the decimal places to 0. So that is all about step number 5 and we have completed this one. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 6. In step number 6, it is saying that enter a reference to base house price in cell E5 and a reference to total estimated cost in cell F5. So basically we are supposed to enter the reference to base house price and total estimated cost in cell E5 and F5 respectively. So first we will go to cell E5 and we will enter a reference to the base house price. Let's go to E5 and enter a reference to base house price. So base house price is given. Let me do this for you. That is equal to cell B9. This is the base house price, this one. So we will click enter. Now in cell F5 we are supposed to enter a reference to total estimated cost. Cell F5, so total estimated cost. So we will put an equal sign here. After putting the equal sign, we will go to B25 because this is the total estimated cost. Press enter. So that is all about step number 6. So I have shown you 6 steps for this assignment. I have solved them step by step. And if you want me to do this assignment for you, I can do this for you. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 7. So in step number 7, it is saying that complete the single variable data table in the range D5 up to F15. So we are supposed to complete the single variable data table. Be sure to use total square footage as a column input. So we will use the total square footage as a column input. Apply custom number format to display base cost in cell E5 and the total cost in cell F5. Apply these format to the heading, bold, center and blue font color. So first we will select this range in the sheet. Just copy this and we will select the range. So range has been selected. So what next we are supposed to do? We will convert this to a single data variable table. We will click on the data tab. After clicking on the data tab, we will go to what if analysis. After going to what if analysis, we will click on the data table. So our column input is given. It is saying that be sure to use the total square footage as the column input. So we will use the total square footage, this one as a column input. There is no row input is given here. So we will click the OK. And we have completed the single variable data table. After that, it is saying that apply custom number format to display base cost in cell E5. So we are supposed to display base cost in cell E5. So we will simply copy this and we will go to cell E5. This is E5. After going to E5, we will click on Home tab now. So we will go to number format. After going to number format, we will select the custom number format and we will remove this general and we will type inverted commas and the name that is given in the instruction. Typing this, click OK. So we have changed the base price. E5 to base cost. Now after this we are supposed to type total cost in cell F5. So we will go to cell F5. Again we will click on the number format. We will select general from here and we will remove this one and we will type the inverted commas and the name of that is total cost. So we have completed this. After that, it is saying that apply these format to the heading, bold, center and blue, bold, center and blue font color. So these should be bold, center and blue font color. So that is all about step number 7. So we have completed step number 7 now, and now we will move to step number 8. So step number 8 is saying that identify the square footage, base price and the total cost in the data table that comes closest to their goal. Apply yellow fill color to those cells. So now we are supposed to identify the square footage from column D, base price from column E and the total cost from column F, and we will that comes closest to their goal. Then we will make them yellow fill color. So let's go to, so these are the square footage and square footage is given here. This one 2791. So this one is closest to total square footage. So we will make it yellow. After making it yellow, we are supposed to base price. So base price is given in cell B9. This one that is 20. That is 2023 1028 3. So that will be 20 80 2040. So this will be closest to base price, and after this total cost. So that this is the closest to this total estimated cost. So we will fill this yellow. So that is requirement in the step number 8. So our step number 8 is completed. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 9. Step number 9 is copy the square footage substitution values range B6 to D15 to the range H6 H15. So we will copy the substitution value that we have inserted in this table to this location, and we will remove the fill color. So first do this, select this range. So we will first select this range. Range has been selected. We will copy, click on the copy, and now we will select the second range, that is H6 up to H15. So we have selected and we will click on paste. And now we will remove this yellow fill color. So we will make it no fill. So we have done this. Next thing to do is enter these lot prices substitution value in the range I5 up to K15. So we will type 90,000 in cell I5 first. So this is I5 and we will type 90,000 here. Then we are supposed to type 96,000. And the last one is this 102,675. So we have typed these values. Then it is saying that format these values with the accounting number format with 0 decimal places and the blue font color. So make these values as a counting number format with 0 decimal places and color should be blue. Sorry, I have typed this in wrong one. We can simply copy this and we can paste it here, and we can delete it from here as well. So we are done with step number 9, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 10. In step number 10, it is saying that enter the reference to total estimated cost in the appropriate location. For the second data table, apply custom number format to display total square feet in that cell. Apply blue font and bold to that cell. So first we are supposed to enter the reference to total estimated cost in the appropriate location. So here we will type a reference to total estimated cost, that is cell B25, and we will click enter. Now it is saying that we will apply the total square feet, a custom number format to this one, and we will make it bold and blue font color. So we will go to number format now, and we will apply the custom number format of the total square feet to this one, and we will make this bold and we will apply the blue font color. So that is all about step number 10. So we have solved 10 steps. I have shown you step by step how you can do these 10 steps. If you are watching this video, then you can get your assignment done. Now I will move to the next step, that is step number 11. So in step number 11, it is saying that complete the two variable data table using the total square footage as the column input. So we will use the total square footage as the column input and the last lot price as the row input. So now we are supposed to complete that table using the total square footage as the column input and the lot price as the row input. After that, we will apply a custom number format to the reference to the formula cell. Apply yellow fill color to the total price in each column that come closest to their goal. So let's do this step now. So we will first select this one. After selecting this, we will go to the data tab and we will click on what if analysis. So we will click on data table. So now we are supposed to use the total square footage as the column input. So total square footage, this one as the column input and the lot price as the row input. So lot price as the row input. Where is the lot price? So lot price as the row input. So we got the table. So we got the table, and next thing to do is it is saying that apply a custom number format to reference to the formula cell. Apply yellow fill color to total price in each column that come closest to their goal. So we will first format them as a counting number format with 0 decimal places, and now we will highlight the price in each column that come closest to their respective values. So first we will highlight this one, that because the total price is closing to this one. So we will highlight this one as yellow. After this, we are supposed to highlight the next one, that is this one coming closest, and then next one is this one. So this is coming closest to our total estimated cost. So we have highlighted them. That is all about step number 11. And now we will move to a next step, that is step number 12. So step number 12 is format result in both table with the counting number format with 0 decimal places. So I have formatted this. Now I will format this as well. The counting number format and decimal places should be 0. So I have already formatted this. Now I have formatted this as well. So this is step number 12. So we have completed 12 steps of this assignment, and now I will move to next step, that is step number 13. In step number 13, it is saying that create a scenario named ideal cost using base price per square foot and lot fees. Enter these values for scenario. So we will create these three scenarios, that is step number 13, step number 14 and step number 15. So first one is the ideal scenario, second one is increased cost, first one is ideal cost, second one is increased cost, and third one is low cost. So first I will create this one. So we will copy this ideal name, or we can type this one, that is ideal cost first scenario. We will go to the sheet. After going to the sheet, we will click on the data tab and we will click on what if analysis. So in what if analysis, you can see that scenario manager. So we will click on it. After clicking on the scenario manager, we will simply click on the add. After clicking on the add, we will type the name here. I have already copied, so you can type as well. So changing cell will be now that are given. Use base price per square foot. Base price per square foot. This is cell B8. So we will type B8 here, and the next changing cell is the lot fees. So lot fees is cell B23, this one. So we will type B23 here. So click OK. Now we are supposed to enter these values. First one is 80. So we can copy this. It should be 80. And the second one is this price. Let's copy and paste it here. So that is our first scenario. So we are done with step number 13, and we will move to a next step, that is about the increased cost scenario. So let's do this one now. So like I have created the scenario in step number 13, you can create the scenario in step number 14 as well. So you can create the scenario in step number 15 as well. And after that, we will generate a scenario summary. So I'm going to show you the final version. When you will apply just these 3 remaining steps, then you will get a final version. So this will be our final version. We have created the scenarios. There will be 3 scenarios. Let me show you. So these are 3 scenarios we have created. First one is the ideal cost, second one is the increased cost, and third one is the low cost. After creating the scenarios, we will click on the summary, and we will get a scenario summary report, this one. So basically, I have done this assignment step by step in this video. I solved each and every step in this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me and I will do this assignment for you. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, etc. So please watch my video, subscribe to my channel, comment to my video, and like my video. You can look for more useful solution videos in my YouTube channel. If you are subscribing to my channel, then you are going to get a lot of help through my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video.